In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Monarch Money. Let's get started. To create an account, go to the Monarch website and click on Sign Up or Start Free Trial. You'll begin with a 7-day free trial before any billing starts. Enter your email and create a password, or choose to continue with Google or Apple for a faster setup. After that, you'll be asked to enter your payment details to activate the trial. You can also apply any promo or referral code if you have one. Once your account is created, you'll be guided to connect your financial accounts like banks, credit cards, and investments. This helps Monarch automatically track your finances in one place. After setup, you can start customizing your dashboard by renaming accounts, setting up your budget, and organizing categories based on your preferences. If you ever want to cancel, you can do it anytime through the billing settings before the trial ends. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.